Hello student, today we learn about the introduction of trigonometry. So basically things here that we will learn about the relation between the angles and the sides of the right angle triangle. So I am making a right angle triangle A, B, C, okay, and let's say here theta. So basically here what introduction technical part here that we will write the relation between theta and the remaining sides ratio. Simple relation between theta and the side here. So we have some special ratio that is sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So let's see what is cosine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. And first of all, there are three sides. One is right angle triangle, another is theta. So first we define the all three sides with the name like which one is opposite, which one is adjacent, and which one is hypotenuse here. Okay. So listen, when you see in the opposite of the angle, when you see the opposite of angle, that side known as opposite side. That side known as opposite side. Again, the side opposite to the angle that is known as opposite side, and the side which is opposite to the right angle known as hypotenuse, and the remaining side known as base. So basically we can define the all three sides on the behalf of the angle given in the right angle angle like here opposite to the angle known as opposite side, opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse, and remaining is base. Now what is sine theta? If you want to define sine theta, it's nothing but simple, it's the ratio of the two side, and which one two side we will take for sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite upon hypotenuse. And if you want to write in the side form, so what, you know the opposite is AC and hypotenuse is BC, so you will get AC by BC. Similarly, if you want to find cos theta, if you want, basically cos theta known as cosine, okay. So if you want to find cos theta, so here simple formula in the ratio form, base upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse. And if you want to write in the side form, so AB upon what, you will get AB by BC. And similarly you will write the tan theta, which is equals to opposite upon base, opposite upon base. And here again the side form, opposite is what, AC upon base is AB, so we will write AC by AB. So basically there are three important ratios, sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta, and they are reciprocal also. Like the reciprocal of sine theta equals to what, nothing but it's known as cosec theta, and simple reciprocal of sine theta is equals to cosec theta, you write as what, BC by AC. Or if you want to write in the terms opposite and hypotenuse, you will get what, hypotenuse upon opposite, and this side form BC by AC. Similarly, reciprocal of cos theta known as sec theta, so you will get sec theta equals to what, reciprocal, so hypo upon base, and in the side form is what, nothing but BC by AB. And again the reciprocal of tan theta, you will get what, cot theta, the name is cotangent, cot theta, which is cot theta, and again it is the reciprocal of tan, means base upon opposite, base upon opposite. And in the side form you write AB by AC. So okay, again we will start the question here. In triangle ABC, right angle triangle at B, AB we are given 24, BC is 7 cm, determine sine A, cos A, sine C and cos C. So first of all we will draw the right angle triangle where he is saying that B is a right angle, so A, B and C, and he asking about the, and what is given another thing, AB is what, 24, AB is what, 24, so write here 24 centimeter, and what, BC is 7 centimeter, and you know that he is asking about the sine A and cos A, means find the sine value and cos value according to the angle A. So similarly, you know that there is a, for finding the any ratio, there is a two side should be known. Like we have only the two side, but AC is not given. So first we find AC by the Pythagoras theorem. You know the Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equals to hypo square equals to base square plus what, opposite square. Okay, and hypo not given, but we have base is what, it's nothing but 24. We have 24 square plus 7 square. 24 is what, 576 plus 7 is 49. When you add, you will get 625. And here hypotenuse square, so we write as a hypo, so here root 625, which is directly equals to what, 25 centimeter. And you know that hypotenuse is the largest side in right angle triangle, means largest in base, opposite and hypotenuse. Okay, now we will get the 25 centimeter, which is hypotenuse. Now we need to find that sine A and sine A. Okay, now we know that sine A is what, opposite upon hypotenuse. So first of all, which side is opposite and which one is hypotenuse? Okay, so we know that we defined the opposite, base and hypotenuse according to the angle given. So here angle A is given, and we know that opposite to angle, side known as opposite side, so it's your opposite. Okay, and this is your base and this is your hypotenuse. This is your base, right? Now sine is what, opposite upon hypotenuse. So tell me what is opposite? It's nothing but 7 upon hypo is what, 25. So answer sine equals to 7 by 25. Similarly, we will find cos equals to what? Its formula is base upon hypotenuse, and we know that what is base for angle A? Base was 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. So here 24 upon 25. And now we need to find another question where sine C and cos C. We need to find sine C and cos C, means he just changing the angle for finding the trigonometry ratio on according to angle C. And we know that when you change the angle for finding the trigonometry ratio, only the base and opposite get interchanged to each other and hypotenuse at remains. Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा, hypotenuse and base get interchanged. Now for angle C, tell me opposite to angle. Now we will talking about this side. Now opposite to angle C is what, becomes opposite. So opposite is what, 24 centimeter. Opposite equals to 24 centimeter, and which is 7 centimeter becomes base. So base equals to what, 7 centimeter, and we know that hypo never change. So hypo equals to 25 centimeter. Now simple, we can find sine C. Again this formula is, ratio is same. What, opposite upon hypotenuse. Again opposite upon hypo, and opposite is what 24 and hypo is 25. Similarly, we can find cos C, which is nothing but base upon hypotenuse. So base upon hypo, and which is equals to base is 7 centimeter, hypo is 25. So answer is 7 by 25. Alright. Okay, now take another example here. If the sine A equals to 3 by 4, now calculate the cos A and tan A. So basically the sides are not given. Here the value of sine A is given in the form of 3 by 4 with the ratio of the side. So basically we never write that, and we know that what sine A equals to what? Simple sine theta equals to what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. And we can write as a sine equals to which value is given 3 by 4. So we can write as a 3 by 4. But we never write that opposite equals to 3 and hypotenuse equal to 4 because it's a simplest form. It may be that there is some common factor. So we will write as a common factor is what? K and K. Now we can write as opposite equals to 3k and hypotenuse equals to what? 4k. And only one side is not given. Which one is? Nothing but base. So first we will find the base. So basically we will draw the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, and A is a point. So let A here and B at 90 degree and C this. And you know that if you are taking the angle A, so we know that opposite side to the angle known as opposite, and the opposite side to the right angle known as hypotenuse, and remaining base. So simple here. Opposite becomes this side. This is your base, and it's a hypo. And what is given? Hypo equals to, we can write as a 4k, and opposite equals to directly 3k, and we need to find base here. So again apply the Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem. What? Simple base square equals to hypo square plus minus opposite square. Now hypo is what? 4k square minus 3k square. Okay, so here 4k means 16k square, the whole square we write as a whole square. So 16k square minus 9k square, we get what? 7k square. Now hypotenuse becomes simple, base becomes what? Root 7k square equals to what? Root 7k. Now so we got all the sides, hypotenuse, base and opposite. Now we can find any trigonometric ratio like here given things. So what we need to find? So cos A, directly we write the cos A, and we know the cos equals to the ratio of base and hypotenuse, the ratio of base and hypotenuse. And what is base here? What is base here? Base is root 7k. So we write here root 7k upon hypotenuse is nothing but only 4k. So again k cancel out. Answer is root 7 by 4. Now we need to find the tan A. Simple. Tan A again. Tan equals to what? Opposite upon, simple formula, opposite upon base, and we have these two sides. Opposite equals to what? 3k. So we write 3k upon base is what? Nothing but root 7k. So we write root 7k. K cancel. So answer equals to 3 by root 7. 3 by root 7. Now we will see the next different type question. Now in a triangle PQR, right angle triangle at Q, where PR plus QR equals 25 cm and PQ equals to 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. And we know that finding the any trigonometric ratio, we should have the all three sides. Simple thing that. But here one side is given, and there the not a directly a side given, there is sum of the two sides given, means PR and QR plus QR equals to 25 cm. So first we find all three sides separately. So let's draw the right angle triangle, and the question they mentioned that at Q 90 degree, and here we can write P and R. Now what is given? PR plus QR equals 25 and PQ equals to what? 5 centimeter. It's given 5 centimeter. So let let Qr equals to x. Then we write here PR plus x equals to 25. Now PR equals to what? 25 minus x. PR 25 minus x. So we have PR separately, but in the form of x, QR and PQ, and PQ given as a 5 centimeter. Again, apply the Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem is what hypotenuse square equals to hypotenuse square equals to what? Base square plus opposite square. Okay, so put the value. What is hypo? Hypo is PR is what? 25 minus x. So write 25 minus x the whole square equals to base square. Base is QR, which is equals to x plus we write square, and opposite is what? 5 square. Now expand the bracket with the formula a minus b the whole square. We write here 25 square is what? A square minus 2ab. 2ab is what? 2 into a into b plus b square what? X square equals to x square plus 5 square is 25. X square cancel out. Here 6 to 5 minus 50 x equals to 25. Now 50 x equals to what? 25 minus 6 to 5. So x equals directly we write as a 600 upon 50. You cancel. You'll get what? 12. You'll get x equals to 12. Now we find the value of x equals to 12, means directly QR equals to 12. So QR equals to 12 centimeter. Then what about PR? PR equals nothing but only the 25 minus x. So PR equals to, means hypotenuse equals to 25 minus x, and which is equals to becomes 25 minus 12 equals to what? Nothing but 13 centimeter. Means we will got all the three sides, hypotenuse, perpendicular means opposite, and the base. Now we can find the any trigonometric ratio. So question is what? Find sine p. Find sine p, and we know that opposite side to the angle known as opposite, and the 90 opposite known as hypotenuse. So simple, sine p is equal to what? Opposite side becomes what? QR, because opposite to the angle. QR upon hypotenuse is what? Again PR, and both value we have. QR equals to what? 12 and PR equals to 13. Now cos p equals to what? Nothing but again the ratio is what? Base upon hypotenuse. So base is what? PQ, and hypotenuse is what? PR. Again put the value. We have PQ is what? PQ is directly given 5. So 5, and the QR PR answer kiya 13. So 5 by 13, and the last one tan p. Similarly, so is the tan p equals to what? Opposite upon base. So opposite is QR and base is PQ. So QR upon PQ. You'll get the answer. QR equals to what? 12 and PQ is equal to 5. Alright. So simple. The directly there is not the sides given. The sum of two sides and another side given. So first क्या आंसर किया? We got the third side, means the remaining two sides, and the one side given. Now simple sin p, cos p, and tan p with these trigonometric ratios. All right.